Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to correct the name or sentence in your Excel sheet. Here we can see that the name is written like some alphabet is capital and some alphabet is small. So I have correct this in small command like we have write equal proper bracket and write trim, then bracket and select this cell and bracket close and then again bracket close and enter. Here we can see that the journal saying is the first letter is capital and the other name are letters, mean that the alphabet is small. So this is good for using this formula. I have double click here, so the formula is applied to all names. Here we can see that there are correct way in your Excel sheet. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.